grapes fresh cream ice cream smoothie or grapes fresh cream ice cream milkshake. Today we are going to make grapes fresh cream ice cream smoothie. The ingredients are green grapes. We have taken the seedless variety. Put in the seedless grapes into the mixie. Put in around 100 to 150 grams of grapes. Add 2 cups of water. Add 1 spoon of strawberry syrup. Add 10 to 15 ml of fresh cream. Put in 3 spoons of sugar. Put in a scoop of ice cream. Close and mix nicely in the mixer. Now the grapes fresh cream ice cream milkshake or smoothie is ready. It can be served. This is the final grapes fresh cream ice cream smoothie or grapes fresh cream ice cream milkshake. If you like the video, please like, comment, share, subscribe and press the notification button.